Welcome to Food Fanatix. Sieve 2 cups of Sooji. Add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup plain flour. Mix the dry ingredients well. Knead with soda water. Cover with a damp kitchen cloth and leave for 1 hour. Take a small amount of the dough and roll it until it is thin. The thinner the dough, the crispier the puri. Deep fry in medium heat. Place on a sieve and let it cool before using. For the fillings, you need chopped onions, save, boiled potatoes with salt and chaat masala, chopped tomatoes, green chilies and coriander leaves, yogurt with sugar, green chutney, boiled chickpeas with chana masala, sweet and sour chutney, and papri. Make a hole in the puri. And add all the fillings. You can add any other fillings of your choice.